Visiting a local part store. Such amazing. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. This is my favorite local bus store. Let's go looking for Ford products. There's a Corvette. You want a Corvette? Oh. GM. Chevy, GM. There's a couple of good cars. There's the Fords. Oh shit. Oh my god. Look at this. I was looking. Fuck, too much. It's not good. There's the other nice. Not for us. Oh shit. This one. Fucking old shit. Oh. Let's do. Oh, that way. That way. 150. It's okay. There we go. I'm fine. I find other local bus store, because other one was just old shit. Just look around here. So everything. I find this one. The guy that say just yesterday came in this freaking car. So let's see how does the camshaft look like. I start taking it off. So start taking it off. The coils. And I love the junkyard because you don't need to pay attention for do everything, and otherwise, you know, this is very important bolts, and you just oops, put it in. And all the bolts in the future, you need them. You can get it. You have one. Because a lot of mechanics, you know, just lose the bolts, broken the fucking bolts, and you need the other one. Fuck this shit. And you already have. So valve cover is off. Okay. See the mechanics life. Mechanics through life. Fuck it. Lose the fucking bolt. Junkyard job. Huh? Fuck. The first here. It's good. We need one. This one is a little bit fucked. Let's see how it's cracking on the backside. Because see, this is better than other one. And you're moving. Okay. So the big question is, here in America, You guys say, oh, fucking, I don't want to replace it, the bearings, I don't want to replace it, I just go to the junkyard and buy the other engine. Here we are here in the junkyard. If we buy the other engine, let's see, this is better, but have a same issue. See how it's dirty everything? Fucking, there's no guarantee your junkyard engine is okay. So this why, you know, we are just fix it. The old ones. Cleaning. Brake cleaner. I need more brake cleaner.